Hello, today I will show you how we can easily create several templates. So let's go to the social media and here click Quick Create. Now click Get Started and here we can choose what templates we want to create. For example, I'm choosing this one. Next, we click Continue, and here we can write main text. Here, additional text. Next, we can click Continue, and here we can upload image or logo. So we can click Upload and choose logo or picture which we need, and click Open, click Continue, and here we can choose which category we want: font, geometric, modern, simple, and I'm choosing this one and click Continue. Here we see the styles and color palettes. We can choose which palette we want. We can click once again and look for more interesting colors. And when we like, we could click Finish. So next we can click Download or See My Collection. So I'm clicking See My Collection, and here you go. We have 4 designs per minute. It's so cool and amazing. So I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and see you next time.